Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger is getting an upgrade. If you're using Facebook Messenger and whenever you try to open your Messenger app, you're facing this type issue that you get a message Messenger is getting an upgrade. So let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So basically it happens when your Messenger have any update. So now to fix the issue, you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and make an update into your Messenger app. So open your App Store here, or in iPhone or in Android you have to open your Google Play Store and search for Messenger app here, and here you have to check for updates. If you find any pending updates here, you just have to try to update your Messenger app, and after updating your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, so you just have to go back and open your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, tap on Messenger app here, and here you have to try to offload your app. Or in Android you just have to go for app settings and try to clear cache and clear storage and data into your Messenger app. Once you have cleared storage and data, or in Android or in iPhone, you have to offload your app and tap on this reinstall app option. After that, the app will completely reinstall on your iPhone. It will not delete your app data. So you can easily try this, or if you want to delete completely your Messenger app with including its app data, so simply tap on delete app and it will be uninstalled. And after this reinstallation, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.